For a service business, capturing leads for your website is usually a top priority no matter where the lead comes from, and there are a number of ways to do this. Rocketspark forms can be used in a range of ways, whether that's a simple contact form on your contact page or a quote request form that's a little longer and can pre-validate some of the requirements of a lead. If you take phone inquiries, having a phone number in your contact bar and a tap to call on your mobile site is a great way to make it easy for people to get in touch with you. Email marketing is a way to keep in touch with past customers or people who are interested in your business that might become customers in the future. With Rocketspark's Mailchimp integration, you can set up an email subscribe form and connect it with Mailchimp in around 25 seconds once you've set up your Mailchimp account. A successful marketing strategy includes a website that works well with key social media platforms. In a few clicks, you can easily link Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube to your website and show it as social media icons or as a live feed. If you're a business that takes online bookings such as restaurants, beauty, builders, tourism, and accommodation, virtually any popular booking system can be embedded on a Rocketspark website or linked to from a Book Now button. You can view some of the popular ones on our integrations page. Don't forget to ask people on your website to contact you, book, or get in touch and make it clear how to do so.